vision and will. Because bihira po ang marunong gumawa nito. No, this requires special or advanced learning. So Nicole is going to be your teacher for the special effects. So I think we'll raffle some certificates.
Yes, thank you, Cecile. We are going to raffle certificates for Australian College, and you can use it when you enroll in any crash course or diploma or certificate courses na interesado kayo. So this is 2,500 new certificates. So
So yung gagawin naman ni Nicole, hiwa rin. Pero this time sa mukha, dito. Pero imbis na true plastic, gagawin niya ibang klaseng special effects makeup na naman. Sinasabi ni Nicole, ang special effects makeup kasi iba-ibang klase. Parang brand ng makeup na iba-ibang klase. Special effects makeup na iba-ibang klase. Kanina nakita niyo yung tube class, para siyang glue. Okay. She is the winner. What is your cards?
question for you. What brand of makeup? The guy in white. Congratulations. Congratulations. You'll be receiving 5,000 pesos gift certificate. Ayan. Okay. Congratulations. Thank you to all of you. We'll see you at the school. It's at Podium. It's next to Memories University of Minnesota. Okay, so congratulations to both and the service team within King Center. Thank you and I'll see you guys. Bye-bye. Thank you. Pasok na naman. Marami ba yan, ha? First time, congratulations sila. So, yung iba sa taas pa rin.
Bakit?
Yung mga channel yung sa baba.
Ay, si ano na lang?
Congratulations. Okay, yan na tayo. Yan na lang. Madami pa.
Ba't makapal?
Because we live in a modern world. This is a matter. If I have the time, kalabasan ang gusto ko. I actually brought two models because the other one, I want to prove to you guys na kahit kulot yung buhok, pwede natin ibag. Marami na nagsasabi ay kulot yung buhok, hindi pwedeng ibag. It's wrong. Kulot kahit anong klaseng buhok can be done really, really well. As they say, there's no such thing as a bad hair. Only bad hair cutters. Okay, so I'm gonna prove that to you right now. We only have 9 students per class. And I teach the class personally. Hindi yung may assistant ako, iba-ibang magturo sa inyo. What I've learned directly from Sassoon, you get it directly. The other thing that we do is that in our school, models are provided. You don't have to worry about saan kaya kukuha ng model for today. The models are provided. All you do is concentrate on the learning. Hindi mo kailangan mag-isip ka, may model kaya ako ngayon. And that happens to both our hair cutting and our makeup classes. All the models are taken care of by the school. That's the second most important thing because no other school, as far as I know, offers that. Because the key ingredients to learning is basically doing it yourself, hands-on practice. That is why I guarantee in our school that in 8 days, you can cut as well as anybody else. Probably you're not fast, but in 8 days, you learn how to cut and cut really well. And for those of you na hindi naman nanggugupit na, I have a proof here. I have several hairstylists here who comes from a chain of salons in the country. Experience sila with 10, 15 years experience. And they are my witness. They have learned a lot. Sila din si Wilma at saka si Rose, nanood lang. They were asking me kanina kasi while I was sitting there kung magdi-demo ba raw ako. Dahil sabi nila, natuto daw sila. They were just here watching last November, just one haircut of mine, and they learned a lot. Nagagamit na daw nila sa salon nila at pinagkikitaan na nila. Okay, singilin mo sila, ha? They actually volunteered to have a haircut. Kung pwede ko ba raw i-demo siya on stage si Wilma because she has kulot na buhok eh. If we have the time, no problem. I'll try to do it. So nakikita ninyo na ng shape. The shape is starting to evolve.
That's nice.
One of our instructors and makeup artists in makeup is actually here. She's also a graduate of one of the most prestigious, or if not the most prestigious, makeup school in the United States, in Hollywood. She's Precious Medina. She's right there. She does makeup for both the salon and the academy.